Okay, so today we're going to be drawing the Geneva cam. I'm going to start at 10, 10, but you could start anywhere you want really. The center point right here, we're going to have a bunch of circles drawn at this point, so remember 10, 10 or whatever starting reference point you use. Our first point is going to be radius 4.5, another circle at 10, 10. You can put dia for diameter, or you can type out diameter, it doesn't really matter. But our next circle is going to be diameter 1.5, another circle at 10, 10. You're going to have diameter of 4, another circle at 10, 10. You're going to have radius 4, another circle at 10, 10, and you're going to have diameter 2.5. And then from here, you kind of have your starting setup, and there's a couple of neat commands that you could use to be able to finish this drawing really fast. So first and foremost, we're going to have one more circle, which is not in the center at 10, 10. It's actually right here. You're going to click right here. You could use quadrant object snap right here, and then just select this point that I selected right here to start this circle. You're going to make that diameter 0.5, and then what you want to do is you want to get your line object snap to the quadrant of this tiny circle. Make sure you're getting the object snap and not the intersection right here. You need to get this point right here, and then you're going to go up to this circle right here. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then you can trim this right here. So now we can make another circle at this outer part right here, and you can make it radius 1.5. You could trim the excess, like so. Now we're going to use our very special command, array. Select this one, like that, hit enter, type polar or click it, doesn't matter. Specify your point, object snap to the very center, you can just put 10, 10, and then bam. You could hit enter, just exit. And then you have this very cool looking drawing, and from this point you could erase this center right here. You could also erase this outer part, and then we're just going to trim a bunch of things from here. Trim this, and that, as well as the centers of these little things right here. And then to finish up, you're just going to go to the very top right here. This is how I do it. I'm going to go up by 0.2, I think. Yes, it is 0.2. So up by 0.2, I'm going to go to the left 0.18 because the whole top is 0.36. Go to the right 0.18. And then just going to object snap to the intersection where it collides or intersects with the circle. Then trim this middle piece, and bam, trim this final piece right here, and then that's it. And if you wanted to find the area of this object, you could just type hatch. You could pick this internal point. If you wanted to find the area of the smaller circle inside here, you could just click that internal point, and you could just hit enter. And you have two ways you could do this. You could either type area, you could type object, or you could just type O. That works too. Select this, it'll tell you the area and also the perimeter. But you could also type list, select the object too, and it'll give you a bunch of information about the object, with the area being right here as well. So you saw the area for the large portion, and I'll also show you the area for the smaller portion, or this inner part right here. That would be 3.0670. And yeah, it's pretty easy to find the area, but that's pretty much it.